This is NAB Show Live.
I'm Ryan Salazar, and this is NAB Show Live. Today we have a very special guest, Roger Franklin, President and CEO at Crystal. How you doing, sir?
Doing well. Happy to join you today.
All right, so let's talk about Crystal, what you guys do and how you got started.
Certainly. Started over 30 years ago, software control system company. So Crystal specializes in interfacing to broadcast equipment at major broadcasters around the world. And we interface that equipment, bring in data, crunch it, provide dashboards, and control things. And more recently, we've taken that ability to focus on ways to increase the value of our customers' ad inventory, to turn regular mass market inventory into addressable and targeted inventory.
Okay, so what's the single biggest challenge for broadcasters right now in your eyes?
What we're seeing is the fact that advertising revenue for broadcasters has stagnated. It just hasn't grown in the last few years. They keep trying to charge more for the ad inventory they do have, but there are fewer ads getting displayed, getting shown, and the digital world has kind of come in and taken a lot of additional ad budgets away from the broadcasters. And the broadcasters need that inventory. That's their primary source of revenue, and they need to find ways to increase their ad revenue in order to move their stock price and continue to grow.
Okay, so let's talk about addressable ads and how it could solve that issue for stations.
What the advertisers are looking for is a way to target relevant advertisement to specific households, specific audiences. The digital platforms give them a way to do that, and they've been screaming and asking for that for decades on television. What we've got today is the technology behind television to make that possible, to deliver addressable TV so that advertisers can deliver targeted ads. They've been doing that for the last year and a half, couple years, during 2 minutes an hour in the US local avail spots. These are ad inventory spots that are given to cable companies, satellite operators, and OTT providers for them to sell. Those companies know who's watching, and they can take that information and deliver a targeted ad to specific households.
Okay, so what are the challenges and how can broadcasters and content providers overcome those?
Right, and what's happening is the content providers, the programmers, the broadcasters are missing out on that opportunity. Those companies don't know who's watching. They're not connected with the user. They're working on direct-to-consumer services like CBS All Access, Hulu, Fox Now, ESPN Watch, but that's an extremely small percentage of the viewing audience. So what has to happen is broadcasters have to be able to communicate to distribution companies exactly where their national ad spots start and how long they are, so that those companies can take those national spots and turn them into targeted ads, targeted to specific households.
Excellent.
The technology involved with doing that is not easy, but that's where Crystal comes in.
Wonderful, excellent, very exciting stuff. It's amazing how the industry is just evolving. So let's talk about, I always like to chat with folks about their favorite place to hang out. Steve in our control room, Steve and Deanna, I think, Steve, we might have gone to Lotus Siam last year. It's a Thai restaurant.
Thai restaurant, yeah, that's right.
In Las Vegas. Really popular place. Pretty much everybody that goes to NAB knows that. So do you have a place, Roger, that you like to hit?
I do. I'm not a big Vegas Strip guy. I like to get off the Strip a little bit, and I found a hole-in-the-wall Thai place called Erawan Thai. It's off East Sahara. It's literally in a strip mall.
Excellent.
Fabulous food, and it doesn't break the bank.
All right, cool. We'll have to hit that this year. Again, Roger Franklin, President and CEO at Crystal. We'll see you at South Upper Hall, SU 6921. That's SU 6921. We'll see you in Las Vegas.
Sounds great. Looking forward to it.